Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Holden Barina CD Hatch, stock reference number 5244. The shape runs from the 10th month 2010 through to the 6th month 2015. It has a V12 D1 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. V12 D1 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door also has one small dent. Left rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate has one dent. Right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and right front 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey and red cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with mode buttons and without cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.